Look, you're on camera. Man, come on, come on. Look, that looks like Elvis. He knows Elvis.
Kendall, like, she wouldn't know what to do. He tried to play with her.
Come on, come on, dance. Can you dance? Can you dance? Hey, what's your name?
Cindy.
Okay, Cindy, come here. We're going to get you in the movie. Okay. What you need to do is hold your arm straight out.
Okay, right.
Stop that.
Ooh.
Okay. He's kind of heavy. When he gets on your arm, keep holding it straight out.
Okay,
Okay, come on, come on, step up, step up.
Whoa, whoa, he's
There you
heavy.
go.
Really heavy.
Okay, you ready to stop? Okay, he's heavy, isn't he?
Wow, what do you think? Yeah, I think you're a little too young, buddy.
Did you want to try it too? You think you can hold him?
He's heavy.
You want to try it? You sure? Okay, all right.
Okay.
Okay,
Get very still.
here we go. Now hold it out. Put your other arm under there. Put your hand under there to help hold your arm up like
There you go.
like that, right there. He's heavy.
Just don't put your hand under his back. Cindy, don't put your hand under his feet because he might bite.
I'm not going to let him bite. Okay. Come on. Step up. Step up. Okay, hey, you got to hold it up
Do you want me
straight
to
out.
hold under it?
Here, well, okay, she's going to help you. Okay, here we go. Okay, there we go. Step up. Step up. There we go. He's got sharp claws, doesn't he? Ow. Actually, they're not as sharp as they were this afternoon because I trimmed them a little while ago.
What's his name?
His name's Buffett. Buffett, can you dance?
Is that an African?
No, it's a macaw.
They actually have two.
Do you think you could get him to talk on video?
No, but I can get him to sit on your head.
Mom, you want a bird sitting on your head or a parrot?
Particularly,
You
no.
want one to stand on your
He
head?
was scratching
I
his
don't
head.
know.
You don't want it on film?
I don't want it like digging into my scalp or something.
Oh, he won't hurt it. Oh, look at that.
What do you say? Harrison, what do you say? Did you say thank you? I don't care for one.
I'm okay, thanks.
It'll keep him up all night.
No, I've already had too many. That's Buffett. Okay, you ready?
Here we go.
I
Yeah,
don't
okay.
think I can do that.
Sure?
Put it on your head.
Well, he stands on my dad's head, huh?
You put him on my head?
Yeah, you want him to put him on your head?
Okay, here we go.
They're not supposed to be chocolate.
No. Plus, it might make her stomach upset.
Are you going to film your dad?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Buffett.
All right, let's see
All
if I
right,
can
you
get
got
him
it,
up there.
Cindy. Make sure you get it.
Buffett.
Oh,
Come on, step up, step up. There you go. They've actually been in the fruit.
Oh, he's trying to bite your head.
Is he?
Yeah, yes. He had his tongue on your head.
My buddy went. Okay, did you get him?
Wow.
Did you get it? Cindy, you sure?
All right, we better quit while we're ahead.
What, before he poops?
He might try to do something.
Yeah, he was like biting on your head. Did you not feel it?
I feel like he got comfortable.
He was trying to
He was okay, really.
Look at
Fly away? You gonna fly on one wing?
She was, when she saw the bird, she's like, her nose went in like overdrive. Did you see her?
So does he like fly around your house or just kind of stay put?
There's
Or
never
walk
been
around
one.
and fly a little bit?
He'll get spooked sometimes if somebody slams the door or something. He'll take off.
But they have two. They
He
have
usually
two.
sits pretty
Really?
still.
Two?
Yeah, they have one more at home.
We never have figured out why he sticks one wing out like that.
Now, do you only take one out? You don't ever take the other one anywhere?
Well, the other one's kind of mean.
Is it?
Yeah, so I don't usually take him anywhere.
What's the other one's name?
His name's Frank.
Frank.
The
But
other
it
one
looks-
bites-
it
the other
looks
one
the same.
bites like real hard. This one bites, just nips. Doesn't really hurt, he does bite, but I can't trust the other one. The only way I can get the other one out of the cage is to hold the towel up and let him
Daddy.
grab it with his feet and carry
Yeah.
it around on top.
Oh, he doesn't even like